No.
Hello friends, in this video we will see how to download and install Nmap on Linux and Windows. This is usually a very easy process as installing and upgrading Nmap can be done with a single line command. The command is sudo apt-get install Nmap. This command is example of Debian based system or Ubuntu which installs Nmap through package manager. I am going to run Nmap on Linux system, but you can use any operating system you like. Both command line version of Nmap and GUI version Zenmap of Nmap is available for Windows, Mac, Linux and also for other platforms. On Linux system, there is a chance that you may have Nmap. So if you type nmap version, you will able to see what version of Nmap you have. If you don't have Nmap installed on your Linux system, then you can install it using command sudo apt-get install nmap, or you can download the binary package from nmap.org website. Once downloaded the binary file which have extension .rpm, you have to generate a Debian package for that rpm file. To do that, you can use alien command. You can check the installation steps on nmap.org/book/ins-linux.html. Now let's download Nmap for Windows. To download Nmap for Windows, just go to nmap.org/download.html and download the executable file of latest version and install it normally. Thank you.
No.